Turnpike Road Farm. This is our chicken house that's original to the farm of 1892. It was restored, and maybe Joshua could put a photo of what it looked like when we first came to the farm 3 years ago. But we're going to put in with the chickens feed block. We'll see how long it lasts. I have a feeling it's not going to last very long. But we've had chickens here for 3 years, and we're getting just over a dozen a day right now. And because some of the chickens, this is their first year, that they will lay year-round on the first year. So you can get eggs year-round if they are first year old, and then they slow down. We first had problems with predators with neighbors' dogs, fox, and hawks, but lately we've had no problems at all, but we've lost a few at the very beginning. Okay, so let's put in this feed block and let's see how long it lasts. This looks good. How long is this gonna last? Put down in the comments how long you think this is gonna last with these chickens. Say who's closest. What do you think, Joshua?
No time at all.
I give it maybe 2 days. Oh, you excited? Oh, didn't mean to scare him like that.
Spectrum.com/Samsung Service not available in all areas. Internet required. Advanced Wi-Fi compatible equipment required. Restrictions apply.
Fascia to fascia.
So instead of letting him avoid, he gets nervous and he wants to avoid. So he gets a little excited at the door. So he gets it. Good boy. Now I'm just, nope. I'm just gonna calm it down, chill out. When you're chill, we can proceed. Sit. Good boy, good boy. Come on. So when I stop, usually, and he's a little anxious and jaw here.
Oh no.